Good afternoon, y'all. We're in the middle of the world.
In the jungle.
In the jungle, the Cuyabeno River, Amazon jungle. It is February 10th, 2023. I am here with Fernando.
Hi.
Felicitas. Leonie. Autumn.
And we are trekking in the jungle, y'all.
Hey.
Hopefully to see some stuff. This is the middle of the world. This is the middle of the world where the equator line goes right down the middle. That's awesome. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, Clembier sleeps tonight. If I fall in this water, I'm not gonna be alright. Got that balance, you feels me? Gotta have that balance. 1, 2, 1, 2. Look at those ferns. Oh, that's a beautiful area. Wow, look at that. We're hiking in the Amazon rainforest. So nice. It's, a little bit of rain. Poquito lluvia. Pero es bueno. It's all good still. At least we're just enjoying it. No matter the weather. There's no road or river in sight. It's jungle. Told you I was gonna bring you all that good content. I'm gonna keep bringing better and better content.
No, it's bubble.
Oh, what is it?
The tree, the sap, the tree.
Oh.
Sap?
The tree.
Sap. Another one. DJ Khaled voice. Here we go again. Walking across this handmade bridge. Slowly does the job. Slowly but surely. This is me. Yeah, gotta have that balance. Gotta have the right pace. Look at this gunkies. Mikey plan, hey amigo? Yo, we are in the jungle right now. Uh-oh. Your wildest adventures brought to you by Clemby A. Harvey. He can almost guarantee I'm gonna be doing something wild. Okay? Okay, Sessa. Where?
Another one. The white throat toucan.
I just missed the toucan. And the rain's picking back up now. Looking for a jaguar. Which is not a pretty tough task, to say the least. And there's an rainforest. Yeah, we're looking for him. For her. I'm lucky for him. Yo, we're eating lemon ants. He just broke a branch off that tree and split it in half. Show them the ants in the branch. Let's see what they taste like. Well, I just found out what they taste like, but I didn't do it on camera, so I'm gonna taste them again. Yeah, it's real tarty, real lemony as soon as you put your tongue on it. They instantly die as soon as it touches the saliva, so. Yeah, but it's definitely tarty. Lemon. It tastes just like a lemon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes just like a lemon.
Lemon. It sours like lemon.
Y'all try it.
Oh, we're all
Yeah.
vegetarian.
What's it?
It's vegetarian?
Yeah.
Why? It's not vegetarian if you eat an ant.
Hey.
Yeah, it's real lemony.
It's time for people. Look, people.
Here we are in the Amazon rainforest, looking for a jaguar.
Paper and knife.
Can we come hike at night?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Also.
We can hike at night?
No, here no. Example, tourists will come in here for camping. You know camping?
Yeah.
Yeah. Example.
Y'all, these are wild boar balls. Fernando
hammock
says
here,
the
maybe.
jaguar ate the boar.
Oh my god.
Camping, yeah.
Will they sleep in a hammock?
Yeah, sleep in the hammock.
Really?
Also,
Rain? And the jaguar?
yeah, for example, here to pass, for example, while he can you say a food tree on there? Or there? Yeah,
Where?
here. Mm-hmm. Oh,
It crosses here?
yeah. Coming
go-
for drinking here. The water.
Oh, the river is over there.
Mm-hmm. Here.
You hear that? Here, that's where the jaguar comes
Yeah.
in.
example, all the animals come here. Drink
Yeah.
water there. Also,
Yeah.
in this-
The camp. The tank.
Y'all, this is a river stream, well, water stream where the jaguars and all the animals come and drink. Just saw some wild boar bones, partial of the skeleton of the wild boar. Would you drink it?
No.
So why doesn't it mess up the animal's stomach? Because it's different,
No,
it's used to it?
no, yes, for animal eating the soil,
Mm-hmm.
because all the animal eating, for example, the fruit, poison of fruits,
Yes,
or
they eat it all.
ants, yeah.
So they're immune.
Yeah.
Immune.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Yeah, people inject themselves with snake venom so they could be immune to the snake. Very nice. Butterfly.
Moth.
Moth?
Yeah, moth.
Oh no, it's still there.
It has good camouflage though.
Sorry. No. It's okay. You can see it?
Mm-hmm.
Like right before the very beginning. Like right under his stomach.
Oh yeah, okay, I see.
Food for the snake.
Yeah.
Yeah, apparently that's the sound of a toucan. He's back there somewhere. Yeah, that's a toucan. He's in the Amazon rainforest. Get back up with the crew. Beautiful fern. Yeah, we saw a good bit today. I must have fell from my boot. We're looking for a jaguar, but we haven't seen one yet. Saw some monkeys. Saw some frogs. Some birds. Toucans. Stinky turkey bird. It's all a good bit. Good trail, good hike. Thanks to Rainforest Eco Tours. Yes, it is me. Ain't it beautiful? Look at me. Got the rubber boots. Yeah, I'm not talking much. I'm gonna let the animals talk. Some cool colored dirt. That's the same. Nice. Unbelievable. That's crazy. Skeletal?